Have you ever wondered why anomaly scans are such a big deal during pregnancy? They're a crucial part of prenatal care, helping doctors identify potential issues with the baby's development. In this video, we'll explore the importance of anomaly scans, their timing, and what they can detect. Expectant parents, this is essential information for you. Anomaly scans can be a game changer in ensuring a healthy pregnancy. Let's dive into the world of anomaly scans and understand why they're so vital. Pregnancy is a journey filled with excitement and anticipation, but it can also be a time of worry and concern. One of the biggest fears for expectant parents is the possibility of something going wrong with their baby's development. Congenital conditions and developmental issues can be devastating, but early detection through anomaly scans can make all the difference. These scans can help identify potential problems, allowing parents and doctors to make informed decisions about the pregnancy. Anomaly scans can detect a range of conditions, from heart defects to chromosomal abnormalities. They can also help identify issues with the baby's growth and development. In some cases, anomaly scans can detect problems that may not have been apparent through other forms of testing. This is why they're such a critical part of prenatal care. The first trimester is a critical period for anomaly scans. During this time, doctors can detect certain conditions, such as nuchal translucency, which can be a marker for chromosomal abnormalities. The second